Magandang hapon. Narito na ang 2 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Sabado, September 21, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw. 19 and 18 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw. 6, 8, and 4 in exact order. Ngayong gabi sa Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 5.9 million. At ang Grand Lotto 655 na may estimated jackpot of 29.7 million. Lotto schedules ngayong gabi. Easy to Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 60 Lotto, Lotto 642 at ang Grand Lotto 655. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.